Welcome to a toy a day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. Nice to see ya. I forgot to say yesterday, it was my 200th episode. And I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Here's to 200 more. Just sharing something I love with y'all. It's birds from around the world. We got the secret one. It's always very nice. And, hey, let's see what we get out of this one. Extremely hard to open box. We got the Cardinal. I wanted this one. I'm glad we didn't miss out on the Cardinal to get the secret. Hey, this one's head popped right off. Look at that. That is just a nice little red boy right there. Look at that little pooper. You know it. Cool looking toy. Let me move the camera a little bit. Cool toy. They all seem to have the same egg, except for Mr. Bluebird here has a blue egg. So I hope we get him still as well. We'll see. I gave another one away. I think it was a blue bird, but I think it was this one, not that one. Maybe it was that one. I don't know. This little bird is cool, though. Cardinal. Cardinal, Cardinal. And the last one we pulled was the nice half and half. It was the male and female version of the Cardinal, which is a super cool thing to do with the toy. Birds. The males are always a little prettier, but that's just the way the animal kingdom works. Time for the black light. You got the beak. You got the beak. Ooh, and the wings. Is that two different color wings again? That's just weird, Like, why would they use... They look this... In normal lighting, it looks exactly the same. But under the black light, two different paints. Why? Ah, that has a fluorescent beak. Well, that's going to do it. Remember, Toy Day keeps squirrels away. We'll see you tomorrow.